Hi, so we're going to keep moving. We are still on the east gallery of the second floor in Vizcaya's main house, and we're going to enter the Espagnolette guest bedroom now. And this has one of the passages that is referred to as a secret passage. It's certainly invisible to visitors, as you will see. So here we are in the Espagnolette guest bedroom, and guess what? Behind me is one of those secret or hidden or unknown or invisible doors. It really looks like a wall panel, but look at this. So this is the Espagnolette bedroom. Then it goes to the balcony, which is referred to as Deering's balcony, and on the other side of the balcony is a door that goes to Deering's bedroom. So I could stop here and leave it up to your imagination what that could mean, whoever was staying in this bedroom.